All right, let's look at discrete random variable where we have to start learning about the expected value. Okay, what is the expected value? You can refer it to the mean value. Okay, so the mean value, the expected value of x is same as the mean value of x. How do we find the mean? We say expected value is equals to the sum of x times the probability of x. Okay, this is the summation sign or the sigma sign. All right, let's see here. So the expected value is calculated using x times the probability and find the sum of it. All right. Now, next thing you want to do is if you are asked to find expected value of x to the power of n, what we are going to do is whatever n is, you square that to x and times it with the probability. So let's apply it. Let's say if this was expected value of x squared, then you take x squared, time the probability of x, and find the sum of that. Okay? All right, let's look at an example here. So example one, you have LED TV given in each house. So you took the probability, you say, okay, let me check. I'm making a survey. How many LED TV are in each houses? So 0 TV in 10 houses, 1 TV in 75 houses, 2 in 10, 3 in 5 houses. So I'm going to work out the mean for that. So how can I find the mean? The mean is what I'm going to do is take this times that, right? Plus this times that, plus this times that, plus this times that, and divided by total frequency. So sum of the frequency here is equals to 100, right? If you add all this, you get 100. Then divided by the sum. See that? Okay. So simplify all this out. The mean is 1.1. So this is the mean number of LED TV, let's say in certain village. Okay. All right, moving on. Now let's see this. Write the probability distribution table for this TV. Okay, so I am looking for this, and this is my X, by the way. So the probability here, since you know that total is 100, right? So the probability will be 10 over 100, 75 over 100, 10 over 100, 5 over 100. Okay, then you can simplify this. This is 0.1. Okay, you can write in decimal form on the bottom if you want. And this is 0.75, 0.1, 0.05. Okay, so you can see here, this is what I did, and I got all the value worked out here. See, same. Yeah, so this is the probability distribution table. Okay, let's see next. Now I can ask you to find the expected value of x, e of x. How can I do that? Take this times that, which is 0 times 0.1 plus this times that, 0.75 times 1 plus this times that, 0.1 times 2 plus 0.05 times 3. So EX is equals to 1.1. See? 1.1. Hey, this is same as the mean what we just found, right? So yes, they are the same in this case. Okay. Now, next question here. Second example. You're given a new function here. PDF here is different. Yeah. So write the probability distribution for x squared. Okay. So how do I do that? So I'm just going to say that remember that for x squared, we make a new table for this x. We say square this guy, you get 1. Square this, you get 4. Square that, you get 9. Square this, you get 16. Always remember that probability distribution function for x squared is same as probability distribution for x, which means just copy this guy and paste here. See, all the values are the same. Okay, so this is a remark you want to put down that, okay, this is supposed to be equal. Just remember that. Okay, so you can just copy this table and paste it here. All right, let's see next. Now, next question is find e of x square. If you remember, this is the sum of x square multiplied with probability of x. Okay, we found x squared just now. So what I'm going to do is take this guy, multiply with that, plus this times that, plus this times that, plus this times that. Okay, let's write all this here. See? Now simplify, you get 120 over 25, which is equals to 4.8. So e of x squared here is equals to 4.8. Okay, just remember that, yeah? All right, let's see next. So this is another example. You have a random variable x, okay, and it has a probability distribution function below. The question say, given that ex is equals to 2.9, find the value of a and b. This is a and b. How can I find that? I know from the table that if I add all this, I should get 1 because total probability is 1. So let's write that out first. Plus a plus b plus 0.2 plus that equals 1. So if you simplify that out, this added with these, you get 0.4. Move it on the other side, it's 0.6. So this is my first equation. Let me come up with the second equation using this. Ex equals, you want to find Ex, you just take this times that, 0.1, plus this times that, 2a, plus this times that, 3b, plus this times that, 0.8, plus 0.5. Now I know that the whole thing is equals to 2.9. Change this to 2.9. Okay, add these. So that is 1.4 plus 2a plus 3b. So simplify that. 2a plus 3b is equals to, subtract this guy. So 2.9 minus 1.4 is 1.5. Okay, now this is my second equation. Now we have simultaneous equation where this is your first equation, this is your second equation. So let's just multiply this guy by, say, 2. Okay, so I multiplied that by 2, I'll get 2a plus 2b equals 1.2. Subtract them. So this is 0a plus 1b, and subtract these two, you will get 0.3. Okay, so b is equals to 0.3. This is my answer for b. How about a? Take this. You can now find a. So a plus b, which is 0.3. Yeah, there. So a is 0.3. Done. Okay, so that was easy.